And we've got some breaking news coming in right now. Remember, the Enforcement Directorate has been interrogating Riya Chakravarti for the last 5 hours. Her net worth and the properties that she bought, the financial angle is very much front and center in this investigation and this interrogation. Now we've got some news just coming in that Riya Chakravarti has submitted her income tax returns to the Enforcement Directorate, on the basis of which she has received a loan for her flat. Remember, the Enforcement Directorate has been wondering how she was able to pay for a flat if her net worth was nominally just about 10 to 14 lakhs. She's submitted her income tax returns as proof of being able to receive a loan to pay for that particular flat. According to sources, Riya has been asked about her source of income in the last 3 years. The Enforcement Directorate is asking about movable and immovable properties, bank transactions and firms where she holds an official position. As per reports, the Enforcement Directorate is also probing a money laundering angle. As per Sushant's lawyer Vikas Singh, the family of Sushant has learned that in the last 1 year, 15 crore rupees was transferred to these accounts. This is only in the realm of allegation. It has not been proven. These accounts are not even associated with Sushant. The Enforcement Directorate is also grilling Riya in connection with the 3 firms controlled by her brother Shoik and Sushant. The Enforcement Directorate appears to believe that these firms might have been used to route the money illegally. Munish Pandey live with us. Munish, take us through the details. Riya Chakravarti has apparently presented her income tax returns as evidence of her ability to purchase real estate in Mumbai, as also to clarify on some of the questions that the Enforcement Directorate has for her.
Yeah, well, sure. When Riya Chakravarti was summoned by the Enforcement Directorate, she was also asked to furnish the documents regarding her income tax. According to Enforcement Directorate, her income tax return shows that she has a net worth of rupees 14 lakh rupees. Also, they wanted the property documents of Riya Chakravarti. One is the Khar property and one is the property which was bought by her father in Navi Mumbai. But as far as Riya Chakravarti is concerned, she has submitted some documents. ED claims that there are more documents which are still to be submitted by Riya Chakravarti. But today's questioning is basically focusing on the properties which has been bought and mostly about the firms which we are talking about earlier, that ED suspect that money might have been routed and it might have been a case of money laundering. As of now, there are many angles to this entire investigation, and ED has got the evidences in bits and pieces. They are trying to compile the evidences, and that is why many people associated to Sushant Singh Rajput, Riya Chakravarti, they are being questioned in this case. Samuel Miranda, who was a house manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, that person was questioned for almost 16 hours. Sushant Singh Rajput CA has been questioned. Riya Chakravarti CA is still being questioned by the ED. So what ED is doing, that they are compiling all the evidences, they are recording all the statements, and then only they will corroborate those evidences with what Riya is claiming at this point of time. Remember, Riya at this point of time is prime accused in the case. Whatever she is going to tell Enforcement Directorate, that will be corroborated only by the evidence, and then only something can be proven that who was right or who was wrong. What are the allegations saying?
5.5 hours and counting. It could stretch late into tonight. We're going to keep a very close track. India Today's reporters right outside the Enforcement Directorate office in Mumbai. Munish will keep tracking that story as well. Thanks for the moment, Munish, for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.